So I have a polynomial here that we want to factor. It's got 3 terms, multiple variables in it. Now, in the previous lecture where we talked about this, we talked about finding the greatest common factor and splitting each term up, and that works, and it's an important tool to know because there are situations where you're really going to need to be able to do it that way, and we'll be looking at one of those in the next example here. When all we're looking at are the variable parts, there really is kind of a quick and dirty way to do this. Right, so the way I do this is I look at the 3 terms and I say to myself, okay, what variables do all 3 of them have in common? Right, and I see that all 3 of them have an A, all 3 of them have a B, but only one of them has a C. So an A and a B, that's what I'm going to factor out of this. So I'm going to start by putting an A and a B out in front and leave a little space because I may have to put some exponents in there. So now I'm going to look at the exponents and I want to pick up the smallest one. Right, so I've got a 2 on the A, a 5 on the A, and a 3 on the A. The smallest exponent is a 2, so we'll put a 2 out here. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the B's. I've got a 1 here, a 2 here, and a 1 here. So I'm going to leave the B the way it is. All right, now I got to figure out what goes inside this thing. And here's where I'm going to do this. So far, this really has kind of closely mirrored the process for finding the greatest common factor. Right? Now, here's what's going to get a little different. Instead of trying to do all this rewriting business, I'm just going to look at each term and say, look, this term has 2 A's, right? A times A squared. I'm taking both of them away. There are no A's left. It's got 1 B. I'm taking 1 B away. There's no B's left. All that's left from that first term is the C. All right, so let's move on to the second one. This term has 5 A's. Again, I'm taking 2 of them away. That's going to leave 3. It's got 2 B's. Again, I'm taking 1 of them away. That's going to leave me with 1. Plus, and then here I've got 3 A's. Again, taking 2 away, there's going to be 1 left. There's 1 B. I'm taking 1 B away. No B's left. And we still have that C because I'm not messing with the C's. And there you go. Clean it up a little bit here. There's my factored version of this polynomial. Right, so if you'd like to see the full context where I do this really using the greatest common factor in the distributive property, you can click on the link below here. If you'd like to see the next example, you can click on the link to the right. In that one, we're going to take a look at a situation where there are some actual coefficients out there in front of the polynomial's terms. And of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button down below.